on this edition of the AUDIOZONE channel.
Mod 2 Fame Episode 1.
Hi guys, so we are here and we have the car being dropped off for Mod 2 Fame. You can see what it looks like today, and I'm gonna get more video for you, but they're gonna be dropping it down for the truck right now and having him all situated to get this car built for Mod 2 Fame. All that dirt back there, we don't know what it is, but this is kind of what it's looking like right now as it's coming down the trailer. We'll get the inspect for the kind of little ding right there, but we'll check that out and get this all going, y'all. But this is what the challenge is looking like.
You a heads up, brother. That's all.
No, I got you. Yeah, they actually got the car here. But have you seen this car yet, Mod 2 Fame?
Yeah, I've seen the car.
In person?
Yeah.
Okay, I guess it got damaged. Did this car have damages when you got it?
Damage where?
On the rear quarter panel?
No. What do you mean?
This car has like the whole driver's side quarter panel. It's got like a big, it's not really like a deep gash, but it's like a big deep scratch with a whole big dent coming down the side.
Oh my God.
And I just don't know if you bought the car like that, because I mean, if we can fix it if we have to, it's not a big deal.
Oh my God. Yo, look at my Instagram, bro. That's a picture of me on Wednesday with the car.
Look on the driver's side. Did you see the driver's side? You got to, I mean, I'm just saying what it is.
Look at the picture.
Well, Mod 2 Fame, let me also tell you, this is just your welcome to the video today from AUDIOZONE. It's a prank. The car's perfect, bro. Listen, guys, now I'm looking at my camera. All right, crew, back on the Mod 2 Fame build. I'm gonna show you what's going on. The car got trailered here, and we have this whole mosquito problem back here because it was on a trailer this way. So I decided to get this car clean in detail before we get into taking the car apart, just to get everything situated with her. They're in the process of vacuuming it right now. And I'm gonna have this car clean and clay barred. So when I do one of the first process we're gonna do to her, be perfectly clean and have a smooth service, so we don't have nothing going on. That was in the process of getting washed up right now from Mod 2 Fame. When I get done with it, I'm gonna do the same thing, get it cleaned again. But if we're gonna get into doing this car build, we want to make sure that everything with her is perfect and everything that we do to it is going to be excellent. I'm going to kind of go through the stage of what we're doing to her. You'll understand why I'm doing this before we touch the car, but I can only tell you it could be a total transformation. It's not going to be the same car that got here. It could be a whole nother car. So right now we're in the process of doing that. God's been good. So this is AUDIOZONE. We got this bay, we got this bay, we got that bay over there. We just took over that bay over there, room, and work on projects. So Mod 2 Fame's car is going to the project box. It's going to be that one over there, and get this car situated. Stay tuned. I'm just introing you the video, man. We have the privilege and honor of working on Mod 2 Fame's car. He's got it sent out to us from his area, and we're going to be doing some custom work to this car. So I haven't really disclosed what I'm going to do, but I did disclose that I'm going to do something really nice for him for this giveaway that he's doing for you guys, man. So we're going to definitely put our hands on it. My son Isaac going to get on the lights, and we're going to do something really beautiful for this car just for y'all. So stay tuned. As we get this car, I'm going to walk you guys around the car, show you guys everything with the car, and show you exactly what we're going to be doing. Stay tuned. Tell guys, she is coming back to life. Bugs are all gone. For San Miguel car washing, detailing. Come here handling the Mod 2 Fame build. Getting her prepped and ready to go. Then we got the famous, infamous AUDIOZONE over here. Got cleaned up, got shined up. Love the wheels, my God. See the AUDIOZONE on them with the cornea forks, red nipples. That thing looking good. What y'all think? We think we should add some more red to this car, which I'm thinking I'm doing. Look at the AUDIOZONE. I want y'all to tell me what you think we should do to this car. Should we change the whole wrap up? What should we do to the AUDIOZONE, y'all? Y'all tell me what we should do to the AUDIOZONE. This is what she look like now. Y'all give me some suggestions. I'm gonna take that advice from Steph. Y'all decided his car, I want y'all to decide mine. So on this episode of the vehicle we're doing for Mr. Mod 2 Fame with a brand new video, we just took that and do things a little bit better so y'all can see. But it's just a part of expanding and growing, man. God's always been great, God's been good, and we're just trying to do the best we can to elevate to serve y'all. But on this video, we'll be talking a little bit about what we're gonna be doing to Mr. Mod 2 Fame's chart that he sent all the way from New Jersey. My assistant gave me Mr. Turbo TV. If y'all don't know him, subscribe to his channel. Turbo TV on YouTube, he's also Turbo TV on Instagram. He's the one that's responsible for all the races that y'all see over here in Mexico. That's all I'm gonna say. So stay tuned if you want to know what that is about. But Turbo, tell us what we've been planning on the build of Mr. Mod 2 Fame's car.
So we are 100% modifying this car. It's going to be revamped into a whole different looking car. We are wide bodying, debadging, wrapping, interior as far as the seats, rims, lights,
DLR light, Underglow light, we're doing star ceiling, we're doing everything. Listen, this car is not gonna be the same car that it came. So today, I wanna walk you through this car today, kind of give you an idea of exactly what this car is gonna be at. I'm gonna show you a montage in a second, but we're gonna be talking about what we have going on as far as today goes. We're still waiting for some parts to come in, but we wanna give you a little sneak peek of exactly what's here today and what we're gonna be building. We got my guy, Dofdge, which is our wide body key here at the shop. You can come over here, Dofdge, let's talk to everybody here. He doesn't like to be on the camera, you know what I'm saying? Because he says you look like a werewolf sometimes, but we just take care of that tomorrow when we're off, man. But, you know, he's the guy who's been doing all the wide bodies, and it's been a great journey. All started with the AUDIOZONE. Me and him were the first ones to actually successfully install a wide body, and we went through all the pains a lot of people went through to do them. And it's not to say that sometimes things happen, but we've been able to make them, you know, actually work out pretty well. This is a local he can be walking us through right now. What do we have as far as the wide body for this Dodge Charger here today? So let's go and open up the box and just start showing you all the pieces. And you can lay them out so you can see exactly what's going on in this wide body kit. So brand new out the box. So that's going to be the real splitter, but this is going to be, be sure about it, and then walk through so we can actually show exactly what this is and where does it go. So this is the rear splitter that is going to the new bumper, right? And y'all know this as being the part that goes down here, so I'm going to show you. Look at the piece that ends up going down here on the new bumper, right? So that's what this piece is right here. I'm going to go ahead and lay this down here. These are all the grill inserts. This is going to be your grill that you're going to see on your front bumper.
The car is getting a HELLCAT front bumper.
Correct.
Let's make that understood now, so nobody get confused.
Look at the lower vents.
License plate bracket.
Which we're probably not going to use.
We're not using it. Little bits.
Leave our little vents up here. Gotta use the man muscle for that, you know what I'm saying? And let's cut them. So these are gonna be all your flares, right? These are some of the flares that are gonna be installed in the vehicle. They're all in there. I'm not gonna take the whole thing apart. I'm just gonna show you kind of what this is. So don't for sure, everybody, that's actually gonna be the passenger side. If you have the driver's side, you can show everybody here today. That, so let's show you what this is going to be like. But this is what a kit looks like when it comes, right? Go to show them what this goes like. Come on. When we start the installation process, before we have the whole process, we have to debag the car, do some other stuff. But this is going to be the flare that you guys are seeing. That could be the first location that's going to go here. First thing you do, of course, you're going to mock up the whole build, put everything exactly where we want to be, mount the brackets down where they have to be. And once we get all that mocked up, then we remove it, do all the trimming and cutting and modifying what to do to the car. And then we use our secret process, the secret sauce that we have to install the wide body onto the vehicle. But just give you a little understanding of what that is that we do in the wide body process. This is kind of what it is. So everything comes in a box. It's gonna be the lower grill, we got the upper grills. We're gonna start separating all the parts, inventorying everything, make sure that everything's in place, and get ready to start doing the build on Montefame's car. The only thing I can promise you guys, man, it's not gonna be the same car. What you are seeing here today is not gonna be the same car. And I'm gonna explain to you why. It's gonna be a complete transformation, one-off, completely different. What is here today is not gonna be the same car when we get done with it. This car could be a complete turnaround. It's nowhere near the same car when we get done. They're showing you all the other parts that are coming through as we begin to do this. Edit that part out because otherwise people start, you know. But we're gonna get all the inventory, the parts, make sure all the parts are here. Once we get all the inventory of parts, we're gonna start doing today the official teardown, which people start taking everything apart to start doing the build and getting the car created. That's the back bumper, as you can tell right there. That he's taking it apart right there, and there goes the front bumper that we're going to be installing on this bad boy here now too. So now, to check off everything here, we're going to go get a checklist, make sure all the parts are here, start burning the car apart, start getting pieces removed. We got the side script right there behind all the other accessories. Shout out to Bike Crest for the parts that we have in this build. Turbo, what's going on? Tell everybody on camera today.
Get ready. But let's make this known. Just because we're doing this on my family car does not mean that you cannot bring us your car and get the same exact treatment. We do this. We do this every day, every week, all the time. So, come get it done, there we go.
And it's a shout out to Mod Fame for the opportunity to be able to serve him in his car. Met our next staff many events ago, and you know, we kind of share the same passion. We save the manuals. We build a lot of headaches together. We help each other out. So shout out to staff, man. But we're gonna be working this vlog, getting this car torn apart. This is gonna be a different kind of vlog. I'll be doing this in episodes, episode 1, episode 2, episode 3. But this episode that you're seeing today could be episode 1. Stay tuned to episode 2, go to episode 3, go to episode 4, and we give you the whole transformation on Mod Fame's vehicle from New Jersey.
We are not done. Come on. We gotta show you the interior.
We're gonna walk you through. All the way from Irving Tx, man. This is AUDIOZONE, your boy Turbo TV and the AUDIOZONE team. We got more than everybody can put their hands on this. Stay tuned for a total transformation of the Mod Fame.
Hey, stay tuned for a complete transformation of Mod Fame's giveaway project.
A veces que me vale por mí, but anyway, that's what it is. Y'all be good, God bless. Stay tuned for next episode. Continuation of the build from Mod Fame. I'm going to show you guys exactly what's going on. We started the tear down of the vehicle. You can see the guys are inside actually removing the headliner. That could be another surprise y'all going to get. But just give you guys a rundown of exactly what's going on. We have the bumper already removed for him. This is the factory bumper that was on this car. This is what the car looks like now, y'all. The car has become completely disassembled. They got this off. They also got the side skirts off. Let me show you on this side better. But the side skirt that's normally right here is also gone, and the rear bumper is also removed. So we're beginning to get the processes done on this one to start the wide body. All of his parts and clips are right here. So we have actually, you can see front bumpers marked, headlights are marked, side skirts are marked, back bumpers marked. Not how they keep tab of where they take everything off of the vehicle, but we actually have this one removed. You can see his headlights and panels are in here, and all of his other parts that are gonna be going for the wide body are right here. So all this is beginning to come while Turbo TV is enjoying his Cheetos right now and that beautiful blue drink. What flavor is blue? You know the question is the trick question. What flavor is blue is the question we're gonna have. But as you can see right now, Adolfo beginning to do. Adolfo, tell us, what are you guys doing right now inside this vehicle?
Removing the headliner.
Removing the headliner and all the pillars and everything else, because we're gonna be doing something to that bad boy too. So this should be coming out very shortly, the headliner, and we are beginning the demolition of Mod Fame's car to get her together and make her a unique whip. Stay tuned as we continue on Mod Fame.
All right, y'all, so we got everything disassembled now. Oh, turbo. We got everything disassembled now, so we got, you close it. We got everything disassembled from the headliner, the antenna, that's why y'all see that hole right there. Gotta take it off. We got the mirrors out. The mirrors are off the car. Side skirts, as Jeff told y'all earlier. Back bumper, rear spoiler, tail lights, everything is off the car. We are debadging the car right now. Gotta take everything off. All this shit gotta be clayboard and smoothed out, all of that good stuff. We took the Hemis off of the front. As you see there, it used to be. Everything's out though, for the most part. The handles on the roof, those are out. Everything's gone. And just so y'all know, or can see, everything is over here in storage. All bolts, steel bolts on the old spoiler. My bad. The old spoiler is right here. Put the old bolts on it so that, you know, whatever Mod the Fame decides to do with that, he can have everything in order. Headlights there, taillights down there. The corners of the spoiler, because as y'all know on RTs, it's a regular spoiler here and then two pieces on the side, which are a bitch to come out. Jesus! Jesus! Took everything off of here. This panel goes to cover all that, all the pins we put back in place. That way we don't lose them. So the car, after it gets cleaned and primed for the actual wrap, it will start becoming a car again. But of course, you know, all of this, rear bumpers, front bumpers, side skirts, all of that stuff, grills, this is all the new stuff, all the old stuff. All this stuff gotta be prepped too. So yeah, once we get all that stuff done, then, you know, y'all see, so just stay tuned.
Hi, Cruise. On the note of the new bay, man, we're grateful for that. Now we're able to get some more room in here. As you can see, we're beginning to clean up. The guys are over there organizing and cleaning up the shop. But man, it's a good thing. Let's go walk over next door. Hold on, drop that off and go see what's going on. And there goes my baby right there. Y'all know the AUDIOZONE, man. Hit that subscribe, hit that like button. That is my baby girl right there. Of course, we got Supercharged Zay, we got Turbo TV. But now we're gonna go see what the progress is on this one here. Give me 1 second. Crew, so this is what's going on. As you can tell here, the spoiler is now being removed of the vehicle. Look at the panels. You see that they're labeled in there, LB, LF, so they know exactly where they go back on. These are gonna be the panels that actually went right here. But the teardown has began. This car is completely coming apart. You can tell this here. And then look at this inside, y'all. The roof is gone. And the pillars are gone. And everything is gone and getting ready to get done, y'all. So this is exactly what we're doing on Mod the Fame's car. Stay tuned for the rest of this build, man. It could be a long project, but I guarantee you one thing, it could be a definite head turner and a complete build on one of the most craziest builds that came to AUDIOZONE. Stay tuned.